Ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful setup right here on GBP USD where I'm looking at a 1:16 risk reward ratio. All right, so let's break down exactly what I'm looking at and everything else. All right, so you can see that right now we have a very nice drop base and a rally which kind of broke a lot of structures. You can see that the market broke this high right here, broke this and this right here. Apart from that, we had this liquidity which was taken out before this move to the upside. All right, so if you look to the right, you have this touch, and this touch right here, which is a perfect liquidity. And you know what happens whenever we have such things, right? We expect that the market is going to come down right here, take out all this liquidity, and as the market opens on Monday, we expect Asian session to be formed around this area right here, and then we want it to be taken out. The market comes to this area, then we wait for our confirmed entry right here, and then we'll be able to actually take this trade to the upside. All right, so that's what I'm anticipating right here. For my stop loss, I'm just going to put just slightly below this low right here. In my target, I'm targeting this high right here. As simple as that. It's a beautiful trade. I love one thing about it is that we have this nice liquidity. Whenever we have this, definitely we're expecting a drop to the downside and then into our POI right here, our drop is rally demand zone, and then possibly we can see the market pushing to the upside. All right, so this is on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what is happening on the higher time frame. So you can see that we were actually experiencing a downtrend. We saw the market giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? And then you can see that this trade actually continued for some time. So this is the previous low, lower high, lower low, and then we gave this high which didn't break that level right there, and now we are here. So if you now come to the 2 hour time frame, you'll be able to see that there are some structures which are being broken right now, and from the look of things, we might expect a push to the upside. If everything goes well, we might push all the way to this level right here. Okay, but for now, my initial target will just be at this level right here, depending on how the market will move. So you can see that right now the market was giving you this pullback, right? Nice drop is rally. I mean, you can see the market moving in a downtrend right here. But what did we see? What did we notice here? We noticed that the market started to break structure. Whenever market starts to break significant highs like this, you get to be concerned, because that's the market telling you that, hey, I think I'm about to start changing direction. And then it's up to you to actually wake up and look before the market leaves you. So this is what happens here. We broke this, we broke that, multiple break of structures right there. And then because of that, I'm expecting that the market may continue to push to the upside. So for now, we just have to wait until the market breaks this level right here. And once we have that, the market comes into our area, we'll look for confirmation right here before we can execute. We don't just trade anyhow, we wait for proper confirmation. For my order block, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. If you come to the 15 minutes time frame and zoom in right here, let's zoom in right there. You'll be able to see that I was able to get this candle right there. That's my order block right there, the last bullish candle right here. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame for you to actually see the bearish candle there. You only saw the bullish candle. All right, so let's go to the 5 so that I can zoom in again just here. So you can see that's my order block right there. Again, I got those last candles right here. There's this candle right there and that, or you can get all these group of candles right there. Basically, a lot of levels that you can actually pick. And this is what I'm looking at right now. So this is my order block. So all I'm waiting for right now is for the market to push back into that zone. And then once that happens, then I'll be able to execute. My first target will be this one right here, which will be a 1:16 risk reward ratio. And if the market continues to show me signs of it pushing to the upside, well, we might catch it all the way here. But it might take a bit of time. That's the reason why I'm targeting this one for the first target. And if the market shows strength, then we might go for the other one, which will make it a really big trade. So for example, if the market came all the way here, that would be like 300 pips, and this would have been like a 1:28 risk reward ratio, which is really big. All right, but for now, will target this high right there, and then the rest will take care of itself. All right, so that's how it is, guys. For this particular trade, I'm looking at this 1:16 risk reward ratio, and if everything plays according to what I've anticipated, well, then that will be great. And for now, we are going to forecast this and share this in our premium signals community, like we always do. We're going to share this right now, and yeah, let's do that. So let's go ahead and actually share this. This is GBP USD. So let's do that. So this is how we do it. GBP USD. It's a 16-hour forecast. All right, so like that, we've shared this, and then once the market comes into a particular area, we'll be able to share it in our premium signals community. But for now, that's all we have to do. All right, so if you'd like to be able to actually join and actually trade with our private community, there are links down in the description. All right, so make sure you take advantage of the current offer that we're offering. All right, so that's how it is, guys. I hope you found value in this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.